I think the benefits of Design+Build, we call it extreme ownership. And that's something that was missing in previous jobs. You would just hand drawings to someone and they would build it and you'd never see it again. I like to tell my clients when we're done with design, you're not seeing the last of me. I am here until the end. And so often I'm there sometimes as an emotional support person. Remodeling is inherently stressful. So giving reassurance to the client, hey, this is the thing we talked about. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. It's a mess right now. My role changes from design and construction. It really is supportive of the client and the project manager. Our drawings are very detailed and we've tried to solve as many of those unknowns as we can on the front side, so it's less cumbersome during construction. But often something will come up that either we didn't expect or is maybe surprising to us. Having the client know that we've got their back, that we know what their design intent is, and we can step in and kind of guide that process, I think is reassuring for folks. Yeah, I would say advocating for the client is probably one of the key things during construction.